Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to add money with PayPal on Coinbase application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and download Coinbase application on your phone. Of course, if you don't have that, you would like to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you'd like to go and open the application, then click at getting started to create your account. If you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log into your account, and let's just get into this video. Of course, if you don't know how to create your account, you'll find out a video on our channel on how to register on how to create your account on Coinbase application. So let me just go here and open my Coinbase application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this tutorial steps. So let's just wait for the application until it loads, and as you can see, this will actually be your home or your main screen. So from here, you'd like to go to your account settings by just clicking at this three lines at the top left corner, then click as profile and settings from here. So from here, if you have an option called payment methods, that will be good. So as you can see, if you scroll down here, you'll not find it. So all you need to do, just go back and click at the browser right here. So we have any connection issues. So for me, I don't have any connection issues. I guess my issue is I'm using Coinbase application on a simulator. So let me just tell you the steps on how to add money with PayPal. So you'll go to browser, go to your account settings again. Then you will find an option called payment methods. So then from there, you would like to click at link a new account from computer, or and tap at add payment method. And of course, you would like to select PayPal from there. You will find it right there, and you will be prompted to log in to your PayPal. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.